going to show you exactly how to make $50 per hour in this video, and you don't need to break your back. You don't need to leave the comfort of your home. You can simply do this from anywhere in the world. All you need is a laptop or a phone or a tab, and you're good to go. You also need a steady internet for this to work. Let's jump into it. The website I'm talking about that can help you do this is called Topper. Now, Topper is an awesome website that can help you make about $50 per hour, even more when you use it. Now, how do you go about it? Simple. Go to topper.com. I'm going to leave the link in the description so you can go there. So you come here and you see they hire top 3% of freelance talent. So all you need to do is come here and apply. So you can simply apply as a freelancer here. As you can see, down up here, apply as a freelancer, or if you want to hire a talent. So you can either do either of them. Either you're looking for somebody to help you do some work, or you're looking for work to do. You come here and it's good to go. Now, what I like Topper is that they get you really good gig. Gigs that can pay you $50 or more. And don't worry, watch video to the end. I'm going to show you 2 other websites that can help you do this. And don't worry, I'm going to show you 5. I'm going to show you Upwork. Those have been, they're overly saturated and they've been talked about almost every day. I'm going to show you websites that people don't really talk about, that you can easily make money from your home or on the couch, or maybe you're flying and you're on vacation. You can do this passively. Topper, like I said, is one of them. If you scroll down, you see the kind of people that they give, the kind of talent that they look for. For example, you see this one here, verified expert in managing consultant. This is project management. These are people from big brands. This person is from Apple. All right. So you could simply see that the kind of talent that they hire is really very good talent. So if you are an expert in anything, you could come here. Don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly how to go about this, even if you're not an expert. So watch the video to the end. I'll show you just that. You come down here, you see leverage world-class talent. So this is what I'm talking about. You have to be a world-class talent. Now, the question is, what qualifies you as a world-class talent? You qualify yourself. If you think you're not a world-class client, then you're not one. If you think you're a world-class talent, then you are. For example, I feel I'm a world-class talent, so I can opt in for this. So when you apply for this, even if deep down you don't think you're a world-class talent, I'm going to show you how to get this done in a bit. So let's scroll down. These are the kind of people that they look for. They look for developers, they look for designers, they look for management consultants, they look for marketing experts, product managers, project managers. Now, if you click on any of them, you will see, if you click on this one, on the marketing, come down here, they hire top 3% of marketing experts. Are you a marketing expert? For example, I'm a marketing expert, and I think this will work for me. If you're a designer, please pick designer. So you scroll down, how to hire marketing experts. Talking of those that need to hire somebody like you or me who are marketing experts. Find the marketing expert you need, and you just cut down if they're content, look for content marketing, they can come on here and hire people who want the job for them. So this is for people who are hiring. Now let's check out if you want to be hired. Let's go back and click on apply as a freelancer. Click on that. It's going to show you here. If you have a LinkedIn account, please by all means use your LinkedIn account. Go make your LinkedIn account optimized. If you don't know how to do that, let me know in the comment section, and I might just make a video for that. So you click on this if you already have a very good LinkedIn account. If you don't have anyone, just come on here, fill all of this, then click on apply to join Topper. And when you join, they'll push gig your way, then you apply for those gigs. And once you're picked, you're good to go. The reason I prefer Topper to any other platform is that their price is usually very good. They pay really good. They can pay from $50 per hour to about $200 per hour. I've been paid $300 per hour on this platform doing marketing and also this other marketing and also designing using UI UX. I'm also very good in designing. So this and marketing are the 2 different category or niches that I've been able to get jobs here, but I do it passively. Although I'm so busy now, I don't have the time for this, but you can jump into this and this can be your full-time gig. You can come on here, apply for several jobs, and when any of them click, you could simply do the jobs. And don't worry, like I said, I'm going to show you how to get these jobs done, even if you don't know anything about any of these things. The next website I'm going to show you that can help you make money, $50 per hour, or even more, 2025 and beyond, is simply this website called We Work Remotely. Work Remotely is a very good website. The reason why I like them, they don't discriminate. They don't, whether you are in Nigeria, in Ghana, in Togo, or in Pakistan, or in India, you can simply use them. Sometimes their system has some kind of glitch if you are using your normal IP, so you can use VPN if you must, but it's a very good one. You see, post a job for $200, about $300 here. This is for those who are going to post a job. All right, but if you scroll down, you could see several of the jobs here. customer support representative. All right, see how much they're paying. Support specialist, see how much they're paying, and may all these are all of the things that they have going on. They have some full time, they have some part time, and you can see what I was telling you, that this is anywhere in the world. See it here, anywhere in the world. So if you're looking for a job, come here. Again, like I said, watch video to the end. I'm going to show you how to get this done and how to make money from all of these things. Yes, you can make $50 per hour, but then you can make way more money doing the exact secret strategy I'm going to show you towards the end of the video. Before I show you that video, I want you to go to the comment section right now and say, I want the secret strategy. Say it, type it there. I'm waiting for you. If you don't do it, I won't go forward. Anyways, I'm sure you've done that. Then don't forget to subscribe. So let's go forward. So this is it. Virtual assistant, entry-level account manager, and all of this. So what you can simply do is this. You could simply come on here, apply for any of these jobs. Okay? Even if you don't have some good experience with this, you can apply for this job and then get somebody else to do the job. Simple as that. And you'll be the middleman to take your cut home. But let me show you another website that can also help you do this. And the website is this one called FlexJob. FlexJob also help you find remote jobs at companies that you need. All right. Stress less, browse and apply to expert verified scam-free jobs. Okay. You can simply come here, find your perfect remote job. Click on this and you're good to go. You could get free remote jobs, and this is very, very easy to do. And when you come on here, they're 100% remote work. Hybrid means you work from home sometimes, you go to the office sometimes. We won't go to this option. This is option for remote work, this one here. But let's do 100% remote work. Click on that. It's going to ask you, nice choice, no commute for you. Just click on next. Put in your location. For example, if I'm in United States, and just click in next and upload a resume. So you need a resume, all right? So if you don't know how to create a resume, it's pretty easy. You simply go on Canva and Canva will do this for you. Pretty easy. I'm not going to make a video for this. It's quite straightforward. Or if you don't need us to help you create a resume, let me know in the comment section and we'll jump on that for you. But if you have a resume, they're saying no problem. You can still go ahead, click on next. I'm not going to complete this process because I already have an account with this. This is just to show you exactly what it looks like. Do you have a job title in mind? Yes. Let's say, for example, marketing manager. All right, click on next and find the categories you're looking at. You could say marketing, you could say project management, you could say writing, you could say all of that, this, whatever it is you want, right? Just put it there. Then once you're done, just click on next. All right, and how many years of relevant experience do you have? 5, 10 years. Click on next. And what describes your level of education? Do you have master's, higher, or bachelor's degree? Click on that. Click on find your remote job. Click on this. And finding a remote job for you, active remote jobs here, companies hiring here, and you're here. All right. You see, in very little steps, you are here. And you could put in your email address to continue. I don't want to do that, but then you have to. But you could see there's some jobs down here. So you can simply come here and apply for jobs. If you want me to show you how you can simply apply for jobs on this site and get these jobs way faster than anybody can, let me know in the comment section. I'll make that video. A video that can help you apply for remote jobs and make sure you get those jobs very quickly. It's very easy, and I'm going to show you exactly how to go about it. With just 3 steps, you can do that. I'm not going to make that in this video because I don't want it to be too long. But if you want to see that video, go back to the comment section and say, please make the video on how to get remote jobs quickly. All right, then I'll jump on that video. Subscribe to the channel, click on the bell button, and we can jump on the and share this with anybody who thinks this might help. Sorry, I'm stuttering a bit, but share this video with who you think this video can help. And then don't forget to ask a question in the comment section if you have any questions. But this website are websites that can really make you money, $50 or more per hour. It has happened for me. I've helped a lot of people sign up on these platforms. They are making money too. As a recap, one of them is, as you're seeing here, FlexJob. The other one is we work remotely, and the third one is Topper. And Topper is a bit more of the more professional. So they look for professionals. I promise I'm going to show you how to get this done. If you're not a professional, how do you get this job? How do you apply for this job? You simply go on Fiverr. And I wasn't going to talk about Fiverr, but this is why I'm talking about Fiverr. I'm not talking about Fiverr as per you going to Fiverr to look for jobs. You could come on Fiverr and get a professional here. So you could just type in marketing here on Fiverr. Just type marketing and type in marketing. Let's say, for example, Shopify marketing. for example. And then you get professionals here, verify them, talk to them, find out which of them you think this might work. I don't want to sign up on Fiverr with this particular account. So you can come on here, look for somebody that you think can do the work better for you, pick them. All right, this is saying they can do this work for you for $15 or whatnot. Get somebody here that can do the work for you. And when you get the job, give them the job and you pocket the rest or the profit on it. I hope this is simple. You can also go on Upwork, do the same thing. There are many remote or freelancing websites that can help you get people that can do the job for you easily. I hope this was helpful. If it was, let me know by subscribing and liking the video. Share this with anybody you think this might help, as I said before. And see you in the next video. Cheers.